Here's the new Dr. Sonic screwdriver. Um, it's curved, so easier to press the button and Sonic. Didn't pull the thing yet, but I should. But this is what it looks like, a little crystal on top. Looks wooden and metal, like a merge. Looks pretty cool. Like, here's the button. Oh, there's two buttons. Oh, let's see what happens when you pull it. Let me pull it. Pulled. All right. Dun dun dun. Oh, guys. Oh, my God. Okay, what happens when we put the other side? Oh, shoot. Guys. What about both at the same time? Oh, no. 1, 2. Dude. Oh, my God. It's beautiful. This is beautiful.